Hello, and welcome to the first QC Lab tutorial video. Today, we're going to learn how to install QC Lab.
We'll be installing QC Lab on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and take you through installation from the PyPI repository as well as directly from GitHub.
The first thing you should do is open the QC Lab documentation page, linked in the description, so you can follow along. There, you will find code that you can copy into your terminal. You can also find timestamps in the description that will take you to different points in the tutorial.
We're going to assume that you already have Python installed on your system. If not, we've included some helpful links in the description as well as in the QC Lab documentation.
First, to ensure there's a clean environment to install QC Lab, Antonio will set up a new virtual environment. To do that, he will use pip to install the virtual environment package.
Good. Next, Antonio will create and activate a virtual environment in his home directory. Next, Antonio will activate the virtual environment.
Then, Antonio will use pip to install the QC Lab package directly from PyPI. This will automatically install any required dependencies.
So next, Antonio will verify the installation by importing the QC Lab package and printing out its version number. Great!
To install QC Lab from the source, Antonio will navigate to the QC Lab GitHub repository and download the source code of the most recent release.
After unzipping the downloaded file, you can navigate into the folder and use pip to install the source code directly from that location. Nice.
Great! First, to ensure that there is a clean environment to install QC Lab, Antonio will set up a new virtual environment. To do that, he will use apt to install the virtual environment package.
Next, Antonio will create and activate a virtual environment in his home directory.
Next, Antonio will use pip to install the QC Lab package directly from PyPI. This will automatically install any required dependencies.
He can then verify the installation by importing the QC Lab package and printing its version number. Great job, Antonio.
To install QClab from the source, Antonio will navigate to the QClab GitHub repository and download the source code of the most recent release.
After unzipping the downloaded file, Antonio will navigate into that folder and use pip to install the source code directly from that location.
Now Antonio can run QClab on Ubuntu. First, to ensure there is a clean environment to install QClab, Antonio will set up a new virtual environment. To do that, he will use pip to install the virtual environment package.
Next, he'll create and activate a virtual environment in his home directory.
Next, Antonio will use pip to install the QClab package directly from PyPI. This will automatically install any required dependencies.
Antonio can then verify the installation by importing QClab and printing out its version.
Empowering! To install QClab from source, Antonio will navigate to the QClab GitHub repository and download the source code of the most recent release.
Next, he can directly navigate into that folder and use pip to install the source code from that location.
Now you can start using QClab on Mac.
Hey, but don't forget the most important device.
What's that?
Your phone.